Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing mountain climbers and X climbers on a med ball. We want our shoulders, elbows, and wrists all stacked, but we are going to have both hands on our med ball. Med ball rolls, so it's going to require quite a bit of upper body stability as well as core stability. So when I'm in this position, I'm going to be squeezing my glutes, my abs big time, and my quads too. Press your body away from the med ball, squeeze your abs. Bring one knee in towards your chest. You don't need to tap the foot down. Just bring it in towards your chest and alternate sides. Keep it moving. To do the crossbody or X climber version, we're just going to bring the knee towards the opposite elbow.